Measuring addition by tape test. Test method A. According to ASTM D3359. This test method covers procedure for assessing the addition of coating films to metallic substrate by applying and removing pressure sensitive tape over cuts made in the film. Test method A is primarily intended for use at job sites, while test method B is more suitable for use in the laboratory. Also, test method B is not considered suitable for films thicker than 125 micron. These test methods are used to establish whether the addition of a coating to a substrate is at a generally adequate level. They do not distinguish between higher levels of addition for which more sophisticated methods of measurement are required. In multi-coat systems, addition failure may occur between coats so that the addition of the coating system to the substrate is not determined. In this video, let's discuss only about test method A, and about test method B we shall discuss in our upcoming videos. An X-cut is made through the film to the substrate. Pressure-sensitive tape is applied over the cut and then removed. And addition is assessed qualitatively on the 0 to 5 scale. If a coating is to fulfill its function of protecting or decorating a substrate, it must adhere to it for the expected service life, because the substrate and its surface preparation have a drastic effect on the adhesion of coatings. A method to evaluate addition of a coating to different substrate or surface treatments, or of different coatings to the same substrate and treatment, is of considerable usefulness in the industry. The limitations of all addition methods and the specific limitation of this test method to lower levels of addition should be recognized before using it. The intra and interlaboratory precision of this test method is similar to other widely accepted tests for coating substrates, but this is partially the result of it being insensitive to all but large differences in addition. The limited scale of 0 to 5 was selected deliberately to avoid a false impression of being sensitive. Select an area free of blemishes and minor surface imperfections. For tests in the field, ensure that the surface is clean and dry. Extremes in temperature or relative humidity may affect the addition of the tape or the coating. As you already saw in this video, made two cuts in the film, each about 40 mm long, that intersect near their middle with a smaller angle of between 30 and 45 degree. When making the incisions, use the straight edge and cut through the coating to substrate in one steady motion. At each day of testing, before initiation of testing, remove 2 complete laps of pressure sensitive tape from the roll and discard. Remove an additional length at a steady rate and cut a piece about 75 mm. Place the center of the tape at the intersection of the cut with the tape running in the same direction as the smaller angles. Smooth the tape into place by finger in the area of the incision and then rub firmly. Within 90 seconds of application, remove the tape by seizing the free end and pulling it off rapidly back upon itself at as close to an angle of 180 degree as possible. Inspect the X-cut area for removal of coating from the substrate or previous coating and rate the addition in accordance with the standard scale. 5A means no peeling or removal. 4A means trace peeling or removal along incisions or at their intersection. 3A means jagged removal along incisions up to 1.6 mm on either side. 2A means jagged removal along most of incisions up to 3.2 mm on either side. 1A means removal from most of the area of the X-cut under tape, and 0A means removal beyond the area of the X